Many times I wish you were here, through the very shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were near, through the dark. Tukan agad. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your Witty Bonita, the funny girl, the witty one. Okay guys, for today's vlog, I am going to mukbang, yay! Because my team, Kung Sona team, and Tabang Silingan team, they said they miss me doing all the mukbang because I haven't mukbang yet. I mukbang banana but they're not satisfied because it's crazy, right? They want me to mukbang food like Ray Glenn Paladen and Chef Harris Fabia and Errol Karumay and Marawit Vlog. They said I have to mukbang, okay? So I will do this for you all. Mwah. Please stay tuned and enjoy my eating. What I'm gonna mukbang today? Banana. Grrr. Oh, did you enjoy my banana mukbang? It's insane, right? It's only for fun, guys. Okay, here's my food. So, guys, I have here a chicken lechon. It's in like America, it's a roast chicken, yeah. This is like 250 pesos. Dahil so in dollar US is something like $5, I think, times 50. Am I correct? Okay, let's mukbang. Can I eat them all? No, I think not. Right? I washed my hands already. So let's eat. You want to join me? Chef Harris Fabia, I want to shout out you. You're my number one. He's my number one supporter and everything. He's been so nice to me and he's supporting. Oh, let's drink. Maglasing na ako. It's vodka. It's my vinegar. Fermented vinegar that I made for myself. It's the vinegar, so kang pinakurat, okay? So let's eat, guys. I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. Because I will shout out some people that I will remember. So I want you to know, guys, that when I eat chicken, I really eat meat though. I more on fish. I actually choose the bone part. I like the bone part. Okay, you want me to rock this leg? Mukbang chicken with ASMR. It's okay, you can do MSER talking. Because other people said no talking, so now I talk. And I will show you how it sounds. Tumunog. Nom. Laki. I don't eat rice. I gain weight. If people want to eat me more. I want to shout out my team, my Super Love team. Tabang mga silingan BFF there. I love you. Chef Harris Fabia, of course. Ray Glenn Paladen. Laani Kinora, I love you, girl. Mamita, papita. I like bones. Basta, iwan ko. Gusto ko yung bones. Diyan muna. Mamita, papita. Hungry Zita. She's very nice to me. #1 series. Ruby, I love you. Filipina in Europe. Filipina. Life abroad. Pinky, I love you, girl. Wait, nakalimutan ko pa. Rosie. Pardon na. Wait. Kapan ako mag-remember? Wait, ang harap mag-remember. Nag-brain. Wala, iiyak ang iring. Huwag na lang dyan. Titingnan nyo pa, butong-buto eh. Chef Obang, I love you. Viva Buhay. Wait guys, mag-shout out ako sa inyo ng pinabongga. Pag-munin ako. Layo eh. Ngayon, wala ako nakalista. Nakalimutan ko. Ang utak ko ay ano na. Makain kayo ang ano pork. Gusto ko yung mga bone parts. Yung mga pakpak. The wings. And the legs. Or something like. I don't like the ano, like this. The meaty one. I want the bone, near bone. Roger Campbell, hello. Non-YouTuber, very supportive. John Gibson, hi. Six string gunner. Get well soon. Sino pa? Bart Manyaw. Kyle Wells. Sama ba pag-binggit ko? Maya at Tamiya, Roger Kwan. Mary Jane Pantinopli, hello. Mukbang o bones. Gusto ko talaga yung bones, guys. Yung malapit sa bones. Sino pa? Wait. Janet! Janet! Marian! Wait lang, na ano ng utak ko. Yes, si Janet, oh. Tapos Marian, Tambilin. No, tama ba? Ray Glenn Paladen. Hi, Chef. Kain tayo, Chef Harris. Favorito ko si Chef Harris. Mabait siya. Positive masyado na tao. You support him, guys. He is the pin one in my channel. He can say very positive about you. Even your vlog is not really positive. He can see a good side of you. Kahit ang iba, inaano ka na. Good dad. Love you. Hala, ang haba na. It sounds ASMR. Napula ng ano ko. Nag-allergy ako, guys. Namumula yung dito ko sa mask. Pag lumabas ako, nagmamas ako dito, nag-allergy ko. To all my non-YouTuber supporter, Amar, my number one hater. He always watch my video. He's my hater. I love you. Love ko mga haters ko. Panay thumbs down kayo. Abutin nyo ng 1 milyon ah. Mag-resign ako pag maabot nyo ng 1,000. Yeah. Panay thumbs down kayo eh. Magsabi kayo kung anong hindi nyo gusto sa akin. Tulad ni Muammar Amal. Nasabi niya sa akin. Pero siya lang yung basher ko nag-iisa. Na pinapanood ako. Finger licking. Sound ASMR. Nga. Sino pa ba? Kalimutan ko ng iba. Non-YouTuber, sa mga non-YouTuber ko, Vilya Luz. Vil, I love you. Share in Germany. What else? Ate Ans, Dayan. Ayoko masyadong laman. Uy, nasaan ang buto dito? Naghanap ng buto. Nag-allergy ako, guys. Namumula yung ano ko. Naghanap ako ng buto. Alakam, haba na to. Hala, wala. Hindi ako nakapicture ng pang thumbnail. Chicken. Pang thumbnail. Pang thumbnail. Hanap ako ng buto. Ano ba? Ba't unti lang ang buto? Tama na. Oh, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa chicken. Okay lang. Kumakain ako to. Mas nag-enjoy ako sa fish. I'm more on seafood than like chicken and pork or beef. I rarely eat them. I'm more on seafood and vegetables. Hi, Chef! Nakailang shout out na ko sa kanya. Baka mag-selos ng iba. So, bait lang yaw. Mga supportive friends ko yan. Kit 659. Kit ang 659 in US. She's very supportive. Ate May, Teresa, Rawente, Roslyn, hindi ko kami mungas. Tama na guys, lumampas na ng 10 minutes guys, magagalit na kayo sa akin. Thank you for watching, bye, I love you. I love you all. Have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and share. It's all good vibes here in my channel, okay? You.